1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. They're about 10, 11 being installed right now with 25 feet, 8, that's like a 30 feet, something like that. So we're gonna take a look here. They're covering over there because they're going to drill the corner, and in order to do that they need to clean that thing. They have to cover that thing. So they have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and they're about to start the next one. S9, S10, S11. It's gonna be done right now. S11, S9, S10, S11 is gonna be set up. See here, it's about to rain. I'm recording to go to my car. It's a fever for a while. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Number 11 right now. You can see the pump. No truck yet. So they're only doing 8,000 pounds a day.